How to remove send only email address in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage or dashboard, okay, go to gear icon on the right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to more settings. And more settings on left side, go to mailbox. Here in mailbox, you can see below the send only email address. And now you can see here the email address you add before. And you can now remove this by clicking the email address. And after you click the email address, okay, on the right side, you can see here the remove send only email address button. And to remove this send only email address in Yahoo Mail, okay, you'll have to do is click this. And the pop-up are showing. Now you can click the remove mailbox button. And after that, okay, go back to inbox or click the back to inbox button on the upper left side on your screen to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed the send only email address in Yahoo Mail on computer.